Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Pavithra Iyer. So today I'm going to be sharing how to remove acrylic nails at home, and this is the super easy method, and I love to do this procedure itself to take off my nails. And this is how my nails look. You can see I've removed my nails on the right hand, and on the left hand you can see it is grown, like it's already 23 days old nails. So I'm going to be sharing how to remove your nails without using acetone, and if you're interested then continue watching. First things first, you need nail buffer, nail shaper, cuticle pusher, cuticle nipper if you want to use. And yeah, let's get started. So you need small bowl like this where you can fit in your 5 fingers, and now I'm adding warm water. This is actually slightly hot water. You can just adjust the temperature like how you can tolerate, and then you need to dip in your fingers at least for 6 to 7 minutes. So by dipping in like this in the warm water, it will make sure the glue bond between your natural nails and artificial nails becomes soft, and it will be much easier to take off the nails. So once it is 6 to 7 minutes on, I'm gonna be taking this cuticle pusher, and you need to slightly push it like this, and voila, your nails are out. It's super easy, super simple, and it's painless as well. So you need to snip off the nails from the side itself. Make sure you're doing it right way. You should not like snip off the nails from the middle, because that will hurt your natural nails, and it will cause like infection as well. So make sure you snip off from the sides like this, and that will be super easy as well. Also, your acrylic nails comes out easily because of the warm water. If you use like normal water, your nails will not snip off. So make sure the water is at least warmer than usual. You need to like tolerate, that's it. So just keep that in mind. And this is how it looks once I've removed all my nails. You can see my nails have legit grown for 23 days. So now I'm gonna be cleaning my nails. So for that, using this nail shaper, making sure my nails are super clean first, and then I'll be shaping according to my preference and how I like to keep my nails. Before that, I'm just gonna be buffing my nails. So for that, using this buffer, you can use your nail shaper itself. If you don't have anything which I'm showing you right now, you can just use your nail cutter, which already has the nail shaper and buffer in it. So you can use that only. So yeah, now I'm gonna be using this buffer, buffing my nails. This will ensure if there is any glue residues left, it will like make sure it is gone. So I'm just gonna be buffing my nails. Don't buff your nails too much, because that will hurt a lot, and that is very much like dangerous for your nails as well. That is unhealthy, you guys. So make sure you just buff your nails like very very slightly like I did, and then I'm gonna be making my nails really really short, because I like to keep my nails short. And I'm cleaning the cuticle area then and there itself. Also, you can cut your nails before shaping, but I'm gonna be shaping it, and I am like used to do both the ways. So today I'm gonna be shaping it really really short, and as I said, you guys, I'm cleaning up the sides like this. Make sure your cuticle area is very very clean, because you guys know how much residues will be there from the acrylic nails. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be using this acetone to clean my nails. Just taking cotton pad and cleaning my nails like this. Make sure you clean up really really well, and I'm gonna be cleaning my nails on the other side as well, just to ensure there is no dirt left. And you can use nail polish remover if you don't have acetone. Just make sure you clean up your nails before doing the next step. Okay, then once we are done cleaning up our nails, next step is to take care of our nails by giving it a very good massage. For that, I'm gonna be using this lavender essential oil, orange essential oil, and this avocado oil. So I'm gonna be adding it for the warm water like this, 5 drops of avocado oil and 5 to 6 drops approximately essential oils. You can use any essential oils. I'm using these two because it has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, so that is best for our nails as of now, because we have gone through a lot, our nails have gone through a lot. So I need my nails to really feel that calmness, and yeah, for that reason I'm using this essential oils and avocado oil. You can use any oil which is available at your home, and mainly if you don't have any oil, obviously you will be having coconut oil. You can use only that. That also works very nicely. Then coming back, you need to like dip in your nails at least for 6 to 7 minutes, and now I'm massaging my nails really well, and making sure I go in circular motion, and also like go the other side of my nails as well. And once I'm done massaging my nails for at least like 5 to 6 minutes again, I kept the oil on for few more minutes just like that, and then I washed my hands. So this step will ensure your nails are hydrated, and at the same time if you have removed cuticles, it will cure the cuticle area and it will calm down the like irritation and burningness around the cuticles. Honestly, I don't prefer removing the cuticles. Don't remove the cuticles, just make sure you push the cuticles. So yeah, once that is done, I'm using this body lotion as a hand cream. This has like very thick consistency, which I really like to use it on my nails. So I'm gonna be using this body lotion on my nails, hands, and massaging it again nicely, taking a very good time in massaging it, so that it calms down all the process our nails went through. You can use cuticle oil at this step, but I prefer thick hand cream. And once I'm done massaging the cream, this is how my nails looks. So you can see my right nails have cured from buffing, and it has that natural nail texture already, because I did remove my right nails like before 2 days removing my left nails. So it takes a few days to get recovered and get cured. And then I applied nail paint after 1 week. This is the footage after 1 week. I left my nails to breathe really well. So yeah, that is it for the video. I really hope this step-by-step procedure of removing acrylic nails at home was helpful for each and every one of you guys, with me explaining each details. And yeah, with that being said, I'll wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching.